I'm Jessica Cameron with the Fitzpatrick Team at REMAX Results. If you're thinking about buying a home, I'm here to explain what the process really looks like and how I will guide you every step of the way. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. It's exciting, but without the right support, it can feel overwhelming. That's where I come in, bringing clarity, strategy, and a trusted partnership from start to finish. I always begin with a one-on-one consultation. This is a relaxed, honest conversation about your goals, your timeline, and what matters most to you. We can review how we will communicate, how showings are handled, and how we'll work together using a buyer agreement that protects your interests from day one. This consultation also allows you an opportunity to ask me anything. Whether you're a first-time buyer or you've done this before, ask away. The more I know up front, the more personalized and proactive I can be throughout the process. Next comes getting a pre-approval with a lender. This is what gives you buying power. A strong pre-approval not only defines your budget, it gives you clear expectations on a monthly payment, a potential down payment amount, and it helps me write stronger offers on your behalf. If you don't already have a lender, I'm happy to connect you with someone I trust and work with regularly. Once you're pre-approved, I will set you up with a personalized MLS-connected portal. It's the same one agents use, so you're always ahead of Zillow and other buyers. You'll get real-time alerts, and I will also be keeping a close eye on off-market opportunities that might fit your search criteria. When it's time to tour properties, each showing helps us determine what will be a good fit for you and your family. We'll talk openly about pros, cons, and market trends to make sure your questions are answered and your decisions are informed, not rushed. And if you're relocating or have limited time to tour, I can preview homes, send video walkthroughs, or do a FaceTime walkthrough so you don't have to miss out. Our market moves fairly quickly, so sometimes a FaceTime showing is a great option. When you're ready to make an offer, I will guide you through it with expert insight. We'll break down market conditions, seller motivation, and offer strategies, including ways to stay competitive in multiple offer situations while still protecting your interests. When your offer is accepted, I will coordinate inspections, appraisal, legal documents, and timelines, all the way to the final walkthrough and the closing day. I'm here to manage details, explain the fine print, and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. And when you finally get those keys, that's just the beginning. Whether you need a contractor referral, want to explore refinancing, or are curious about your home's value years from now, I'll be there long after closing day. I hope to be your go-to real estate resource for life, not for just this transaction. So if you're ready to make a move, or you just want to start the conversation, let's connect. Again, I'm Jessica Cameron with the Fitzpatrick Team at REMAX Results, and I'd be honored to guide you through this next chapter.